Ready? So come to this beautiful flower first. All good? So today I'm going to show you how to look after your daffodils. This is a lovely bloom in full. Enjoy it. When it starts to go brown like this, it's finished. And I'll show you another one here. What you're going to do is make sure you don't chop it here, because for the next 6 weeks this stem and this leaves will give photosynthesis and feed the bulb, and the bulb will get bushier and bushier over the years. So what you do is, for now, just break it off. Next one, break it off. Good. Enjoy it for another few more, maybe another week. This one's gone over. That's it. That's your little job to do for now. Late March to early April, depends. If your daffodils are getting lots of water and in the shade, then they'll last longer. Alright guys, that's how you do the cheat to get your daffodils to grow. Bushier, bigger, and feed. Another little tip, you can, if you want to, give it feed on the ground, tomato feed and so on. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Catch you on another real video soon. Take care, bye for now. And then, done.
Compost.
Yes, thanks bro.